meet you once again. I'll go through your internal marks. I think your performance is low, is very weak. What's the reason for that? What? You don't get enough time for studying. Okay, I think today we can discuss about what is the importance of time management or what is time management. The time management, it means planning and organizing time between specific activities. Suppose you take an example, a batsman playing shot in the cricket. So how much time he get to take a decision in order to play, which shot he needed to play. So that's a simple definition. We can say importance of time. That 1 second according to that batsman is very important. Now let's move on to some importance of time management. So the main importance of time management is it helps us to achieve our goals. We have many goals in life. So the time management, managing time efficiently and effectively help us to achieve these goals. And the next importance is it help us to find some time for entertainment purpose, as we needed to entertain life. We needed some sort of entertainment in our life. So the time management, it help us to allocate some time for our entertainment activities. Some of you may find entertainment in paintings, some of you may find entertainment in gardening. So like that, in order to deviate some time for our entertainment platforms, we needed this time management. Another important thing is it helps an organization to grow and mature. As we are managing time, if we are producing a commodity which takes 10 minutes in 8 minutes, which helps the productivity of that particular organization. So in an organization, from the point of view of an organization, we can say the time management, it helps us to increase the productivity. In other words, it helps the organization to run efficiently and effectively. Now let's look on to some rules regarding time management. The main important rule is delegation of work. As you can see in festivals in temples, church or mosque, you can see a committee is formed, and the main purpose of the committee is to allocate the work between different people. So the delegation in simple word means divide the work. So in this case of these festivals also, a single person cannot manage all these functions. So like that, the delegating work among different people, it helps us to complete the work more effectively and efficiently. And the next rule in time management is prioritization. So you need to prioritize what I needed first, what you needed second. So like that, prioritize your objectives. Suppose take the examples as your main objective now is to complete your examination and move into the next grade. But many of your long-term objective is in the future you needed, some of you might wanted to become doctors, engineers, teachers. Like that, we have a long-term objectives and a short-term objectives. And the next rule is that we have discussed is prioritization. Now let's look on to some tips to manage your time efficiently and effectively. The important tip in the time management is follow a 2-minute rule in your life. Daily spend 2 minutes of time for what you find or what you can have pleasure, that you find pleasure. Suppose you have pleasure in gardening, so spend just 2 minutes in a day. So in a year you get more than 2 days. In a year, the 2 days, you think in 10 years you get 20 days. So like that, spend 2 minutes as you think with these 2 minutes of what we can do. So every small drop of water or a big combination of water consists of many small drops of water. And the second tip to control your is to question yourself whether I needed this, what I am doing this. So ask these questions to yourself so you can avoid unproductive activities or wasteful activities. And the third tip is to prepare a do list. That I've already discussed in prioritization. Arrange a short-term and long-term list so you can also get a proper guidance and proper direction what all things you need to achieve first. So we have discussed about what is time management, what is the importance of time management, what are some rules regarding time management, and what are some tips in order to manage your time efficiently and effectively. I'm also adding one more thing. Today social media take up our time, many of our valuable time. So reduce or limit your usage of social medias so that you can devote that time for another productive activities. That's all. See you again soon.